I am all about easy meals, and today I'm going to show you how to make roasted chicken with potatoes and carrots. The first thing I'm going to do is to mix my spices that I'm going to use, and I'm using granulated garlic, granulated onion, paprika, dried thyme, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, and sage. And I'm just going to mix that together before adding it to the chicken. And I've washed and cleaned the chicken. I'm going to add olive oil onto the chicken. This also helps the spices to stick to the chicken. And I'm going to add some of the spices, about 2/3, and then reserve 1/3 of the spices for the potatoes. I'm using leg quarters for this recipe, but you can use any part of the chicken that you prefer. You can even do a whole chicken. Next, I am going to massage the spices into the chicken, and I am going to let this sit. Now, I had some time, so I let this sit overnight in my fridge, but you need to let this sit for at least 2 to 4 hours. That's when you're going to get maximum flavor. I'm going to cover the chicken with cling wrap and place it into the fridge to marinate. Next, I'm going to get my vegetables ready, and I am using carrots and Yukon Gold potatoes. You can also use red potatoes. You can even use parsnips and add some onion to this mix. And I am cutting the potatoes into smaller chunks so that it can cook in the same time as the chicken. And as you can see, I left the carrots pretty large as well because I want those to be cooked without becoming mushy. Next, I'm adding the vegetables to my cast iron pan, and I'm going to liberally add olive oil and then the remaining seasoning. I'm using my cast iron pan, but you can use any roaster or pan that you have. And I'm going to massage the vegetables just to make sure that it's completely coated with the oil and the seasonings. Next, I'm going to add the seasoned chicken on top of the vegetables, and I'm doing it this way because as the chicken bakes, the juices are going to drip down onto the potatoes, and it makes it so tasty. The vegetables are going to be delicious. Next, I'm adding fresh thyme. You can also use rosemary, and I'm just going to place it around the chicken, kind of tuck it in and put a little bit of it underneath as well. Then I'm going to place this into the oven and roast it at 400 degrees for about an hour 15 minutes. These thighs were large, so it took a little bit longer, but that is all. The cooking time all depends on the size of your chicken. And this is a great weekday meal because you can marinate the chicken ahead of time, you can cut up the vegetables ahead of time and just stick it into the oven, and then you have this beautiful, juicy, delicious chicken and vegetables. You can serve it with yellow rice, as I've done, and a salad. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.